It's your girl Ifakcorp, and I'm back at it one more again for another wig slay on this beautiful day. For all of you guys who don't know me, I love to play in hair, I love to play in wigs, and I love to play in makeup and with my nails. And if you like those types of things, I hope you'll consider subscribing today. Now for all my A1 since day ones, what it do, crew? Hey, what it do, boo? Hey, what it do? Hey, what it do? Hey, hey, hey. So today continues 50 Shades of Spring. And baby, we bringing the heat today, baby. Oh yes, oh yes. I feel like I gotta try, y'all. Yes, baby. But before we talk about this unit on my head, let me introduce you guys to a bae that many of y'all may not know. She is pretty new to YouTube. She is a wig slayer, my homie, my girl, my boo, Miss Barbiee. I know, right? Miss Barbiee, or better known as Beautified by Barbiee. Miss Barbiee does nails, y'all. If you don't already follow her on Instagram, what are you waiting on? Go follow her. The nail porn that she gives you is to die for. I hope you guys will go check out her channel after watching this video. Now, this unit right here, her name is Paulonia. That's legit her name, Paulonia. My name is Ifa. Who am I to judge? You know what I'm saying? I mean, anyway, yeah, for all the deets and specs and everything else on this unit here, stay tuned. I mean, I love the length of her, but yeah. First of all, the lace was already cut, so if any shedding occurs, I cannot blame it on me cutting, because I did not cut anything, period. You understand? It's not shedding terribly bad, but I'm gonna need Paulonia to get her whole life together. Tell her to get her whole life, the entire thing. Tell her to get it. And these little lantanas, like, right? Why would you sew the hair going the opposite way? I don't understand that. That's stupid. Why would you do that? Why? That's not a good look. It's a wig. At this point, guys, I was completely over this wig. I mean, I appreciated not having the lace to cut out. You know, I appreciated a lot of things about this wig, but stuff like this, like little errors like this, I pay way too much money to have to deal with stupid issues like this. Like, I was over it. Okay, so there was an issue. So first of all, check out that part in space. That's no powder. That's no powder, period. You understand? Like, do y'all see that? Do you see that? Do you? I hope you see it. because that, my good people, is what you call a good parting space. So it's a wig, and it is Wig 2020. It is curling iron safe, 350 to 400 degrees. These are all the dope colors she comes in. She comes in a lot of colors though. Yeah. Pause the tape, sis. Pause the tape. Yeah, I said tape. I said it. Pause it. Cause I'm finna go on to the next thing. Alright. Yeah, so those are all her colors. It's a wig. Is a great, oh look. These are all the colors. Oh my freaking goodness. Why couldn't they have that color? I wanted it so bad, but they did not have it available. She has a 4-inch lace part. Speaking of, I did not have to cut any lace off of this wig. It came already cut. I do believe that is it, you guys. So I hope you all loved this review, and I hope you all are enjoying the 50 Shades of Spring. If you aren't already, as I said before, please consider subscribing, sharing this video, and commenting down below. Y'all have a blessed evening, and y'all be easy. Love you all.